Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best spindle sanders that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Spindle Sanders. If you need to create a smooth, flat finish to wood pieces, then a spindle sander is a must in your toolkit. Finding the best spindle sanders can be a tricky task, but not if you know what you're looking for. The concept of a spindle sander, then let us explain. It's essentially a cylindrical drum covered in sandpaper that rotates to make any marks or rough edges smooth. Number 5. Upgrade Variable Frequency Drive Spindle Sander. We will be happy to provide you with support in a timely manner within 24 hours. As one of the world's largest manufacturers of variable frequency drive. Main features: digital analog terminal, high efficiency work, 100% service attitude. Number 4. Rikon Power Tools 50-300 Oscillating Spindle Sander. This oscillating spindle sander is a specialized sander for the fast and accurate sanding of curved board edges. Abrasive sleeves mounted on the machine's spindles oscillate. Main features: weighs 76 pounds. Powerful half a horsepower motor. Made from all steel. Number 3. Powertech OS1400 Benchtop Oscillating Spindle Sander. Our home improvement sander flaunts an 14 cast iron work table with a true round design, delivering full support for an assortment of different sized. Main features: built-in dust collection system, easy to storage, lightweight portable design. Number 2. JETCHBO's 5 Benchtop Oscillating Spindle Sander. Built-in storage racks keep spindles and table inserts nearby. Its tilting table, spindles with threaded ends, robust induction motor tackle the toughest sanding projects. Main features: reduced friction heat, quick spindle changes, convenient storage. Number 1. WEN HA5932 Portable Oscillating Spindle Sander. Easily transform your portable handheld unit into a stationary benchtop spindle sander by clamping it to your workbench with the included mounting hardware. Main features: lightweight design, 5-amp variable speed motor, 2-year warranty. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.